Hi guys, it's James from FXax, and in this video I will show you how to customize your charts on MT4, how to add indicators, use drawing tools, and most importantly save those chart templates so you can apply the same setup to any chart you open. If you do find this useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So we've got our chart open on Euro Dollar on the 4 hour, and we want to do some technical analysis. So let's have a look at indicators first and how to add these. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. Firstly, we can add them through the navigator box here. You'll see a list of the various different indicators you have available to you. But what we're going to use is the insert tab up here. So if we hover over indicators, we can see that we have a selection of different indicators, and we're going to use a couple of the most popular indicators, one of which is a moving average. So here you can customize your moving average. You can select the color you want your moving average to be. You can have various different methods of moving average. For example, the simple and the exponential. And the exponential is obviously more weighted to current price. So for now, we're just going to pick the period and pick simple. Keep it as red. And you can see that has landed on our chart. The next indicator we're going to add is another popular one, which is the relative strength index. Once again, once selected, you'll be able to pick the colors, the period, and customize it to suit your trading and your strategy. So once we press OK, we will see the relative strength index pop up on our chart. And we can use both of these indicators to help us analyze the markets. Now, you'll notice you don't need the relative strength index this big, taking up a lot of the charting space. So we can simply just drag it down here, opening up and expanding the chart, but still being able to see the RSI. So again, this is all customizable within MT4. You don't need any other platforms to do your technical analysis. You can simply add indicators using the insert tool or navigator box and customize them as you please. Okay, so you might also want to remove an indicator from your chart. Right click anywhere on the chart and head to indicators list. Here you'll see a list of the indicators that we've added. As you can see, the moving average and RSI. Simply click on which one you wish to remove. For example, if you want to remove the RSI, highlight this and click delete. And close. And once closed, we can see that the RSI has now vanished from the chart and we still have the moving average. So in conjunction with using indicators, you might also want to use some drawing tools or chart objects on your charts. So if we head to the insert tab again and head to these various different selections, you'll be able to see some different tools you can use. For example, you might wish to use a trend line. So you click on trend line, click on the chart and place it where you wish. We can also right click and head to trendline properties, and we can change the color of this. We don't want it to clash with our moving average, for example. So you could change the color to yellow, so you can see it more clearly. You might also want to add a Fibonacci retracement onto your charts. So if you click insert, head to Fibonacci and click retracement, you can draw from any low to high. And again, this is customizable. You can change the color, you can add certain levels. And to delete any object, we can go to objects list, right click the chart and head to objects list, just like we did to delete any indicators. And you can see that you can highlight the Fibonacci and delete it. And it's removed from your chart. So guys, you can also customize the appearance of your chart. Now here is where I'm going to give you a really good tip as well, guys. So keep watching. So we can see that right now candles are green, background is black. If you want to personalize this, right click and head to properties. Here we can see that we can change the background to white and the foreground to black. Note that this box will update to your updated settings just to make sure it's exactly how you like. We can also change perhaps the bearish candles to red. Once you're happy with the setup, press OK. And we can see that the chart now reflects your preferences. The difficulty here is, and not a lot of people know this, is if we then go to open up another chart and wait till it loads, we can see it's back to our original aesthetic. We don't want this. We want every chart that we open to look like this. So the way we can do this is right click, head to template and save template. You want to save the template as default.tpl. That's default.tpl. Once you've done this, every single chart you open will be this aesthetic. So now I've gone ahead and saved that template as default. When we open up a new chart, it opens up exactly the same aesthetic. So you can personalize this however you wish, as long as you save it as a default.tpl, and then this will open up. So there's a really helpful tip, guys, so you don't have to keep changing the aesthetic for each individual tab you have open here. So that's the end of the video. I really hope that's been useful in how to add and remove indicators, drawing tools, and hopefully will make your technical analysis life a lot easier on MT4. So you can analyze and execute on one platform. Also, hopefully this tip has been super useful as well. It's all fully customizable. A lot of people are daunted initially by MT4, but it really is a fantastic platform and all-encompassing as well. So hopefully that helps. Please do like, comment and subscribe if this has been useful, and I will see you in the next video.